Damn it, that's sad. Is that okay?
There you go.
Good? Cool.
Whatever action you get, it's gonna be good.
Yep. Oh! Oh! Damn. That's it. That's it. Where do we go once we're done?
What's that?
Where do we go once we're out?
Back out to the dead zone.
Got it.
Hit!
Okay.
Let him out.
I'm gonna wander and film. Throw a dead rag up.
You, sir.
What?
You're in my way.
Oh, I'm sorry. Good shooting, dude. Oh, the sniper is still up. And there's the damn LMG. More of you guys back here than I thought there were. Just filming. Just filming.
Hey, Delta 6 window, hammer it!
Pagan, you playing? Kinda.
I had 2 bags. Someone put their gun down so I just picked it up.
Nice.
You got movement on that truck on 11 o'clock. Hey, truck! Trucky! Right behind that truck.
Hey, Lee-Box. Get the other side. Are you filming?
Nice shot, whoever's got that guy running. Got the truck guy? No, there's another one back there. Another one tried joining them and they got him. Out there? Yeah. Matt, what do you see?
No gun, no gun, no gun. Walking.
Hey. Guys around this. We're not going to get through here. We can get through here. What's going on, brother? Right side? Nothing, you're good to the second spoil. There might be guys afraid, but you fucking just win. You see the second row is the rule.
Oh. Ref, you may or may not be in the line of fire. Also hit.
Can't go that way. Can't go that way? You're supposed to go out that way.
Think you scared him, Russ. Yeah, I'm out. What the fuck? Oh, ass! I'm already out, by the way. Just filming. Ow. Nice, dude.
Sandman coming out! Sandman coming out!
I think it's pretty damn accurate. I think it's pretty accurate.
Shit's like 550.
Well, there you go. Didn't hurt that bad. Yeah. No, don't go through the wall. Oh, hey.
Did you like my roll?
That was amazing. I got that on film, man.
Covered it pretty well.
Yes, you did. Yes, you did. I got that shit on film, too, so.
I'm so glad I didn't shit myself when I fell. I'm going on that 5
Like my
truck.
metro roll?
Yeah.
Coming through.
Switch to your left hand. You won't get shot that way.
You absolutely will get shot that way. Hey, where's your... Oh, hey. What's up, VIP?
Hey, who's in the
I'm just going to stand here and stare at you for a while.
Okay.
I like your purple tape on your green battery. It's pretty awesome.
Hey, Judy, you got wheels?
Hey, what's up? That's the red. You shot up by my own team.
How's it feel?
Huh?
How's it feel?
Getting shot up by my own team?
Yeah.
Hurts the heart, man. It's okay. I'll be okay.
Good. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go.
Watch out. He's a
They
stuff.
got Drew on a cross.
What the fuck?
Watch your right, because they got Pat coming across.
I don't think anybody sees you.
Jump on it, and I was like, wait, hold it, jump back.
I know. Because everyone would just stare at him until they finally just shot him. Guys, I'm disappointed. You didn't even make it all the way. Oh, that was you with the grenade?
No.
Oh, it came from over here somewhere. Oh, it's his.
That might go off, just so you know.
I don't think it's a, is that a Thunder Bee? Oh yeah, that's, is that a Thunder Bee? Is that a dummy?
I don't know.
Let me see. Yeah, it's a Thunder Bee, and it has been tapped. So, where's the spoon?
I'm gonna take it to the guy that threw it.
No, it didn't pop. The cord didn't pop.
So it's still active?
Yep. No, I mean the CO2 didn't even spray, so it's clean. Fucking needed the tower. Yeah, I've had them blow up like balloons and not pop before. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. Where's your guys' VIP?
I'm actually still alive,
Yeah.
and the funny thing is I'm not making the push. So,
Game over! Head off the field! We're gonna head to
Well executed, guys.
you guys making the push forward?
That's my
Yeah!
Calvin! Head off the field! Going up!
I just dropped it. I ran him. I said, "Oh, shit."